Tea House by Olalquiaga Arquitectos in Torrejón de Ardoz, Spain. The project resolves a double challenge, to adapt sustainable and technological architecture to the normative restraints and the idiosyncrasies characteristic of heterogeneous urban centers. To prove that sustainable and technological architecture is not at odds with quality architecture, tired of mediocre passive houses showcased as models of architecture. For this purpose, we have designed 3 overlapping units: the technological house, the sustainable house, and the townhouse. The technological house has a slim structure, composed of thin metal pillars and a thin concrete slab, that creates a diaphanous dwelling, transparent and luminous. The exterior is mostly glass combined with composite panel ledges of anodized aluminum. The interior cladding is composed of a paneled module. The technological house has an automated central system that controls temperature, illumination, solar protection, detection, access, security, CCTV, and telecommunications. The sustainable house has geothermal climate control through thermoactive slabs, an inertial system that provides climate control in the period between seasons without any energy input. The sustainable house has a power controller that reduces by half the monthly costs of energy. A network of external and internal humidity, temperature, and light sensors, which communicate with the central control system, optimize scenarios, and significantly minimize energy consumption. The townhouse adapts to the urban normative constraints by means of a ceramic cover of the facade and roof, looking on to Crystal Street and superposed over the technological house. 3 boxes pierce the cover, as balconies from which to follow the religious processions that pass in front of the house.